It's on the airport in sight.
Alright, Newark approach, Cirrus 274 Echo Foxtrot. We have Charlie, but we're going to cancel IFR. We have the airport in sight.
Okay, 4 Echo Foxtrot, IFR canceling for Steve, brother, 7 Carnage, block VFR, frequency change approved today.
Scrap VFR, frequency change approved, 274 Echo Foxtrot. Good night.
Good night.
Alright, let's make it a good one.
Watch that descent rate, son. My ears can feel it.
I can't feel anything. Ding. Oh, we need to cue in some Top Gun music, bro.
Yeah, right.
Highway to the danger zone. We are always on the danger zone with these flights. Oh God. Hundred.
So you got your cross track right here. Tell you how far of a downwind you are.
I don't even know what that means.
How far away from the runway you are. We aim for 1 mile, right?
Yeah.
Oh, when that's 1 mile, you're 1 mile off the...
Oh shoot! Oh, I didn't see that number. Princeton traffic, Cirrus is on the left downwind 28. Princeton.
You're low.
And I'm a little fast, so we'll do some trading here.
Yep.
Alright, that's about 1 mile. Oh, there it is. Now I'm on the right track.
Yep, back on altitude, looking good.
Where's the wind? The wind is pushing me a little bit.
Alright, 550, boost pump.
Boost pump, make sure. Flaps.
That nose down. Give me about 500-600 feet per minute descent.
Oh, come on.
Alright, go ahead and make your base. Keep the nose down slightly. That 300, 400, 500 minute descent. There you go.
Princeton traffic, Princeton left, base 28. Princeton.
Okay.
Full flaps.
Alright. So I'll help with the plane if necessary.
Yes,
Remember,
sir.
as soon as we touch down, bring the flaps up.
You got it.
Kill the effect of lift on the wing with the gusts.
Dang, a little bit low here.
Looking good. Keep 85 minimum. If not, maybe a little bit closer to 90.
Got it.
Keep it closer to 90. Get the power in. Crosswinds from the right here. Alright. Power out, get close to the ground. Close to the ground, right rudder, left down. Flaps up. Flaps on the brakes. Wait, Bravo here, go on.
I guess we are. This is gonna be a first one for us. Together.
Alright, that was pretty smooth landing.
I don't know what else I can do, man.
Pretty good landing there.
Oh, man. Alright, we're clear. Yep. Princeton traffic, Cirrus is clear of all runways. Princeton.
There, after landing checklist.
Oop.
Well.
There it is. Alright. Flaps are up. Boost pump comes off.
That's not the after landing checklist.
I know, I wasn't following that. Normal landing crosswind after. Oh yeah, power level, we're good. Boost pump is off. Make sure we lean. Flaps are already up. Lights. We don't need lights. Probably off. None of this was used. And we are ready to taxi. All learning. Well, it was right down the wrong way, so that helped a little bit with variable gusts.
Yeah, it's just the gain or loss that's an issue.
Yeah, the gain or loss. That's it.
And all of a sudden you lose something, drop really hard.
Yikes.
That would be a full power go around with a plan of potentially bouncing off the ground.
Well, if we have a bounce, this is automatically not even to think about
If you have a wind shear loss where you're dropping towards the runway, you're going to hit the ground. You're not landing anymore.
No.
You're just going around with the idea that you're going to come off the runway.